What's happening, everybody? We are beaching with the Boones.
And we're in beautiful North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
And if you're new to our channel, click that subscribe button.
Cause it's free.
And hit that bell to be notified of new videos
around the Myrtle Beach and Grand Strand area.
So stay tuned and hang out with us a while as we show you what's available for you on your next vacation.
So you too can keep beaching.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes to show you two outstanding condos here in North Myrtle Beach that can fit anyone's budget. These two units are part of several in the area provided by Salty Vacation Rentals. And depending on the time of the year, they can range anywhere from $400 to $1,200 a week. The first North Myrtle Beach condo on our list can be found at the Sea Villas 3 condominiums. This one is right on Ocean Boulevard, just across the street from the ocean. 210 South Ocean Boulevard, North Myrtle Beach, Unit 205. It not only offers weekly rates, but it has daily rental options as well. It's just 2 blocks from Main Street. Or should I say everything in North Myrtle Beach. There are shops, restaurants, nightlife, and of course the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. Just a few minutes walk away. Right out front of the condo, you'll find the pool. And as you can see, access to the pool is only permitted for residents from the inside. Let's go topside. From up here, you can get a better view of everything, like the ocean and boulevard. Unit 205 also has a pre-programmed keypad. You'll never have to keep up with keys. Let's check it out. As you can see, this unit has been updated with a beautiful beachy theme. Because when you stay at the beach, you want to stay in a place that lets you know you're at the beach. It comes with a 55-inch television in the living area. But it also has some other special features too, like this retractable blade ceiling fan, and the epoxy counters and beach tables. It has lit cabinets in the kitchen and all the needed appliances. Now this is a beach kitchen. And with an eye-popping backsplash and cleat handles on the cabinets like that, you may just overlook the cool light fixtures. But we didn't. The decor in this condo is out of this world, or more accurately, much of it has been imported from all around the world. If you're looking for a beachy place that's relaxing near the ocean, then this is the place for you. The only thing that's missing is you. With this much decor in the kitchen and living areas, you would think that there couldn't be any more. But the similar beach theme flows through the unit, allowing you to maintain that serenity that you've been craving. And there's plenty of space for all your stuff. Let's check out the poop deck with the barn door. There's a clam sink with a dolphin water faucet. As you can see, this bathroom has been updated to all the new modern comforts and amenities. It has a new walk-in shower and specialized shower head. As well as other necessities and features. The bedroom continues the beach theme. It offers 2 queen beds with memory foam mattresses, a large cable TV, and lots of storage and wiggle room. This entire unit is around 600 square feet. And with a full pull-out sofa, it can sleep up to 6 people. Not bad for right by the ocean. Back on the outside, there's a grill and patio area. And a convenient large trash bin and parking lot keypad. For the gated parking that is included. This unit not only offers weekly rates, but it has a daily rental option as well. For complete information on the Sea Villas 3 unit, text 336-987-3334 or visit the Salty Vacation Rentals at www.saltyvacationrentals.com or www.northmyrtlevacationrentals.com for all questions on availability and prices. On to number 2. The second North Myrtle Beach condo on our list is at the Palm Keys Condos, located on 12th Avenue South, right behind the 810 bowling alley. Unit 108 also has a pre-programmed keypad. Let's check it out. This unit has been updated with a beautiful beachy theme as well. This beach getaway offers a living area, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. As you look around the unit, you'll see upgrades such as new countertops, updated furniture, and modern ceiling fans. A 55-inch TV with cable, and it has its own fast Wi-Fi. This vacation rental ranges in price as well, depending on the time of year. For information, as mentioned before, text or visit the Salty Vacation Rentals online for all questions on availability and prices. Just walking through the front door of this unit will amaze you with all the decor and beach theme walls. But wait, there's more. let's check out the rest of this beachy condo. The bathroom has been completely remodeled with excellent features. It boasts new lighting, modernized toilet, and updated shower fixtures. The walls and decor are noticeably distinguishable from most condos around, as it maintains a similar beach theme of its own, transitioning throughout from the front of the condo to the back. And check out the bedroom. It has 2 queen beds with memory foam mattresses and lots of closet space. This unit 2 is around 600 square feet. And with a full pull-out sofa, it can also sleep up to 6 people. When you plan your next vacation, golf excursion, or weekend getaway, you may want to consider this unit. And right off of Business 17, you're only minutes from the ocean. And of course, world-class entertainment, shopping, dining, and nightlife. And on the outside, there's a convenient laundry room, just down the walkway from your room for those who plan on staying a few days or longer. And the prices aren't bad either. And for those nice summer days, there's an outside pool and patio area. Just watch the kids because there's no lifeguards. Unit 108 at the Palm Keys Condos in North Myrtle Beach. As before, for details visit the Salty Vacation Rentals, and as always, keep beaching.